Hello English learners! Welcome back to our channel, Vocab and Phrases, where learning English is fun and easy. As you know, we have started a vocabulary series on this channel and today is episode 3. We hope this series will help you in your English learning journey and be more confident in every conversation.
We would love for you to be a part of this series. Comment below with any words you've been struggling to learn or any topics you want me to cover. We will try to cover it in coming videos. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and notification bell so that you never miss new episodes. So, let's get started and make English simple together. Well, today we will learn 5 new words and also learn how to use them in sentences, and these words are thrilled, wink, miffed, magnificent, and tryst.
Great, so let's start with the first word, thrilled.
The word thrilled means feeling very excited or happy about something. It's often used to express great enthusiasm or pleasure about an event, experience, or opportunity. Example: I was absolutely thrilled to receive the job offer. This shows excitement and happiness about receiving a job offer. Can you give us another example, Emily?
Sure, here is my example. She was thrilled when she found out she was going to meet her favorite celebrity. This shows a high level of excitement about meeting someone important. Let's move on to our next word, wink.
The word wink means to close one eye briefly, usually as a signal or gesture, often to convey a message like secrecy, friendliness, or humor. Example: he winked at me when he told the joke, so I knew he was just teasing. He closed one eye briefly to show he was joking. Can you give us another example, Emily?
Sure, here is my example. He winked as he passed by, signaling it was a secret. He closed one eye to communicate something secretively. Let's move on to our next word, miffed.
Miffed means to be slightly annoyed or upset, often in a minor or playful way. Example: she was miffed when she didn't get the promotion she expected. She was slightly annoyed about not getting the promotion. Can you give us another example, Emily?
Sure, here is my example. I was a bit miffed that they didn't invite me to the party. I was a little upset about not being invited. Let's move on to our next word, magnificent.
Magnificent means something that is very impressive, beautiful, or grand in appearance or quality. Example: the view from the mountaintop was absolutely magnificent. The view was stunning and impressive. Can you give us another example, Emily?
Sure, here is my example. She wore a magnificent dress to the gala. Her dress was beautiful and striking. Let's move on to our last word, tryst.
Tryst refers to a secret meeting or rendezvous, often between lovers. Example: they planned a secret tryst in the park after dark. A private meeting in the park. Can you give us another example, Emily?
Sure, here is my example. The couple had a tryst at their favorite cafe, away from prying eyes. A hidden meeting at a cafe.
That's all for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to join us next time for more. Until then, stay safe and take care. Have a good day.